Go another one.
Every time I get on one, I'm like,
Alright, what's up everybody? It's your boy Q. You already know where I'm at. Little Sunday twisty ride, man. Got about 12, 15 bikes out. It's a beautiful day outside, so hopefully the roads and everything are good. Y'all sit back and enjoy the ride. I'll catch y'all here in a second. Got a flat. Well, thank God that happened before I got going. Ain't got no air kit. I'm trying to find the hole. I don't even see the hole, but like a tear. I don't know what the hell that is. So I'm gonna need a whole new tire. I don't know if this is pluggable or not, but damn. I mean, good thing it happened right when we was about to leave. Could have been worse. Right here by a gas station too, something good. But hey guys, so the tow truck just got here. Didn't take too long, you know. So.
Push it up, we're gonna push it up there, then I'm gonna lift it up.
Okay.
Or you can lift it up, either one.
Okay.
If you just get it right here on the back.
Okay.
That way, then I can push it, I'll get up there and I'll get up on the tie down.
Alright, so just push it over here right now?
We're gonna push it right on the end of the that second blue button on the side.
Over here?
The second, yeah.
Alright.
When I get over there, just push down. Alright.
Tell me when. Alright. Oh, okay. You got it? Yeah, I just became a tow truck driver, guy, just like that. You had a bad wreck, huh?
Yeah, I just come for a real bad one.
Yeah, it looked like it. You just came from wreck. You can tell there's like radiator fluid and everything.
You want to cycle gear and get a tire?
Huh?
Where you buying a tire? Cycle gear?
No, I'm gonna have to take it home, man, because the shop I go to is closed today.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm taking.
It's open today.
They are?
Yeah.
I know with them though, they make you take your tire off.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to do that today. You ride?
Yeah, I had a booster.
Okay.
I got 2 Harleys.
Oh, okay. So you know what you're doing then.
Yeah, I got 2 street glide. I got a street glide and a road glide.
Hey, I want that street glide, man. Wait, which one got the big bubble fan in the front? That's the road? I think that's the road I like.
Glide.
Yeah, I like that one. I like the road glide, man. When I'm done with these, I'm getting something like that.
Well, I'm saying, when I got done with that booster, really, when I had my booster,
Yeah.
2010 booster, and I'm just one day, I was working, I just went to the Harley shop,
Yeah.
walked out with a Harley, man, I done ride that booster for 2 years.
Alright guys, so it's been a few days now. Got Cliff out here, so
did 202 on.
did you?
Yeah.
Oh man, what's up? You running to get the 202?
I had the Alpha Tune by
Okay.
Brent Tune and all that
Okay.
stuff. I had the BTS wheels.
Okay.
I had I had an acrophobic, but I laid it over on accident. And it scraped up the pipe. I took it to the track a couple times. I went to Crescent.
Yep.
I went there a couple times and I wrote it on coding a couple times.
Gotcha. I've been wanting to get out to Crescent, man.
The track was fun.
Yeah. See, I hear once you ride track, you don't want to not ride track.
And I really didn't want to ride the street.
Yeah, I mean, sorry. Once you ride track, you never want to ride street again.
Yeah,
sorry. Yes,
man,
that's what I heard. I heard it kills it.
But the problem is, it's expensive.
Yeah, man, that's what I hear. Everybody says the same thing. It's expensive.
A little expensive.
Because you gonna go through tires pretty quick, I'm sure.
It's not just the tires. I mean, just to ride Coda was $300-400 for a track for a day.
A day, not a weekend?
No, a day. And then you gotta. It's best to go down there the day before.
Okay.
So you gotta get a hotel.
Yep.
Because you don't want to ride. You don't want to drive down there from here.
Right.
And then leave super early because they start running it around.
So that's Circuit America, right, in Austin, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They start running it around 8 o'clock in the morning.
Sheesh.
So, you gotta get up at like 4 in the morning.
Yep.
So that's what I did, was just go down there the day before.
Oh yeah, you know what you're doing, huh?
You got the 3D chain on there. I had that too.
Yeah, I got 3D chain. Oh man, that was super easy, dude. I thought it was. So you got his own work shop in here, man. Compressor and everything in here. Okay.
Yep. My tire machine, air compressor system, balancer, and all my tools and everything else that I need to change and balance wheels.
Yeah. So how long you say you've been doing this?
I got my first machine in 2013.
Okay.
Did it out the garage for chump change for a while.
Okay.
And then I moved into a place without a garage and set up my pickup truck that I had.
Yeah.
With this tank and one pump, and just did it out of my back of my truck for a year. Got a small van.
Yep.
Did it out of the van, and now I got this nice trailer. This nice trailer with AC.
Oh yeah, I'm about to say you got AC up here, bro.
I got AC here, so I don't have to worry about the weather.
Especially in the summertime, it gets hot as shit, I'm sure.
I did learn when it gets below 32 degrees this year, I think I'm gonna be like, no, I'm not working. Heard of a guy named Javier?
No.
No, he's passed.
Okay, I think I seen a ride for him not too. How long ago was that?
A couple years ago.
Okay, I think I might have seen like preview, maybe.
He was my best friend, and he passed away on the 635 toll.
So that's all I about to say. Did you go down there a lot? That's our thing.
On Saturday mornings, Sunday mornings.
They still down there doing it.
I know. I thought about going down there, just showing up and saying hi.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure you know Asshole.
Yeah. I know Asshole.
Yeah, Asshole. I was, THH, Texas Hard Hitters.
Yep.
I just did it for fun. I didn't care if I won or lost. My goal with the S1000 when I got it was to do 200.
And you did that.
And
202.
So
goal achieved.
So I was happy, and then it just kind of, I got that itch to travel.
Okay.
And then that's when I was looking at a Harley.
Got you.
That was your problem.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah, so guys, y'all didn't see there it is. What is that? That's not a nail.
No, it was a nail. It must have got pulled out.
Ah.
It was a nail or a screw or something. It must have pushed out or something, or you ran something over and it was mounted to the ground or something like that.
Yeah. Here's the new thing.
Yeah. Bike like this, I can do a bike like this in 30 minutes, both wheels.
Oh shit! Yeah, I can tell you got no wheel off in like freaking 10 seconds, man.
So.
So how you like the Harley, man? So you
I love it. I mean, I've done last year. I did 5,200 miles in 2 weeks.
In 2 weeks?
I went to Key West. Went to Tail of the Dragon.
Oh, how was that, bro? I wanted to go up there so bad, bro.
That's it.
I want to go so bad.
The crazy thing is the Tail of the Dragon's like this big, and all the way around in the mountains and stuff, and Blue Ridge and stuff. There's routes that are 200 something miles long. Tail of the Dragon's like 11 or 13 miles long. That's it. Don't get me wrong, it's fun.
I hear it's like, what 280 turns or something crazy like that. It's a whole turns. It's like, it's a buttload of turns. Yeah, but it's a lot of fun. Oh, here's somebody getting it right now.
Yeah. You know when I hear that? I hear money.
You hear what?
When I hear a bike, I hear money.
Yeah.
Now, I do sell tires.
Okay.
The labor goes down a little bit when you buy the tires from me.
Okay, that's good to know. So you got to air it up, the air compressor, air it up, everything. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know if it'll pop, but let's see.
I don't know. We'll find out later. Oh, there you go.
A little one.
A little flap. Oh, there you go. Another one.
Front tire usually makes a lot of snap.
Where you take it to?
About 40, 42 is what I put them at.
Okay.
Yeah, the bike, I think the bike's recommendations around that.
Yeah, it is.
You want to see the craziest thing I ever pulled out of a tire?
What's that?
Where's it at?
Is that a bullet, bro?
It's a shell.
The hell?
Yeah.
Hold up, guys. Look at this.
It's a 223 shell. It looked like it broke in half. It was the butt of it, the rim of it was sticking out the end of the tire.
So this punctured it.
Yeah, it went in. It was just this showing.
Oh, that's
why
crazy.
It's worn out.
Yeah.
And the guy was like, man, someone shot at me. I was like, they don't shoot you with the shell. They shoot you with the thing that comes out the shell. I was like, no, you probably just ran over it.
I see you carrying, open carry.
All the time.
Yeah, man.
So,
I hear you. That's it.
That's it. Rounded and balanced. Only thing you need is a, what is it, 36. I use a 36. It's a little loose. A 30. I think it's a 35 millimeter for the socket. For the.
Oh, for the.
Yeah,
this right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then that. I mean, you don't really need a rubber mallet, but it helps.
There's just your brake. Just slides on the caliper, huh?
Yeah. And then you can slide it on the tab on the swing arm, right there. I gotta lower this little thing.
That's just like a support.
Yeah, instead of using your feet. This one, since it's pretty low to the ground, I used to use a 2x4.
Oh, okay, okay.
So, and see, you know, I can line up the axles, the spacers and everything, and just work it in.
Got you. I thought this was a lot harder than I made it in my mind, man. I mean, now you've been doing it for a while, don't get me wrong.
I'm not even trying right now. What it is, the spacer's hitting the inside of the hole. Gotcha. Now it's going up high enough.
Yeah.
I can tell by feel what it's doing. What I usually do is get it down where it's snug.
Right.
And then check the chain tension. It's on a little on the loose side, but sometimes if you tighten up the axle, the chain will actually tighten up.
Still loose?
Yes.
How do you tighten the chain?
There's little self-adjusters right there.
Okay.
13 mil and 10 millimeter.
About to do that for me?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Appreciate it, bro.
Now make sure you're ready to ride as far as tire-wise.
Yeah, appreciate it.
I'll just loosen it.
Okay.
Back up to where it's still snug, but I can still move the wheel.
Gotcha.
If you have it too loose and this can flop around, it makes it a little harder. First thing I'll do is check my marks.
Yeah. Oh, I see them down there.
Little marks in there.
Marks. Yep.
Well, yeah. I'm almost to the 5th one. And we'll check the other side, make sure they're even. This keeps your wheels true with the bike.
Gotcha. What was that one, man?
The same spot. These 3 little hash marks.
So what are you reading?
Off to the edge of the block.
Okay.
So I'm almost to the 5th one.
So you talking about the little nut here?
No. See these little hash marks?
I see the hash marks.
And then the edge of this block.
Oh, the block. Okay,
Yeah.
got you. The block.
Yeah.
Got you. Guys, don't talk about me in my video, man. I own a bike. Don't mean you gotta know everything you learn, man. That's how it is. Yeah.
I've had people say, hey man, don't listen to this guy. He said to torque it to this spec.
Yep.
Blah, blah. I'll go back and watch the video. I'm like, dude, I said this spec. And I'm like, we need to go back and watch the video again.
Oh, dude, people are idiots. Like, did you even watch the video, bro?
Yeah, right. I kind of find them funny. It's a form of entertainment for myself.
Okay, you get it.
You want to check different spots in the chain.
Okay.
In case the chain has got some loose and tight spots.
Yeah.
If your chain doesn't seem to have that.
Okay.
And also rotating it will equalize the tension in the whole chain.
Okay.
Because you could tighten this and this top part will be tighter than the bottom.
Okay.
You're sitting there adjusting it to this when
Based off one section of the chain.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm about even right now and that's good.
Okay.
So just tighten down the jam nut on each side.
Just like that, guys. It's back on.
I'm gonna go take it for a spin.
All right. Let me know how she rides. Get this thing start up. Sheesh. This guy, his name is Cliff, man. I tell you, God knows his stuff for sure. He literally fixed that tire in like 10 minutes, guy, for real. Like me talking to him, it was like boom, boom, boom. Oh, he acting up on it. He acting up. Go ahead, Cliff. I see you. Damn, that BMW sound good. Sheesh. Oh yeah, he know how to ride for real. He can ride. Shit.
Every time I get on one, I'm like,
And she not even warm, man.
no, I wasn't even getting on.
Shit. It make you smile, huh? Ain't nothing like this bike. This bike is an amazing machine, man. So how can people find you?
YouTube is Cliff Cares.
Yeah, check them out.
I do tutorials, how-to videos on how to take wheels off bikes. I got quite a few up there, and then I started doing ride videos. I got a couple. I did my trip, my 200 mile trip cross country.
Oh, you filmed that?
Yeah, I already filmed it.
Okay, good.
The Key West one and the Tail of the Dragon.
Okay. And then you got a Facebook too, as well. It's the same thing, Cliff Cares?
Yeah, Cliff's Mobile Motorcycle Tire.
Now I'll post all that right there for you guys, so y'all know where to find it and find him. But yeah, definitely check him out on YouTube. His Facebook. He got an Instagram, but he's saying he don't know that much. I mean, I'll tag you just in case. Yeah.
If you're in the DFW area, in Texas, just if you forget it, just Google motorcycle tires, and I'm usually the first thing that pops up.
There you go. Y'all know how to find them.
The great thing is I don't pay for that.
All right, guys. So we got the new tire on, of course. So we got to break it in. Somebody go for a quick ride, kind of get some of this stuff scrubbed off. I believe you got to put about 100 miles on the bike, on the tire, before it's kind of broken in. So that's what we about to do now. Have a little fun. Y'all sit back and enjoy the video. Get a second gear hit right here. Okay. Second gear hit. Yes, sir. Let's try to do it first, see what happens. Got somebody on my ass. First get hit. So I definitely got traction control on, so I got all the electronics on, so it's keeping the bike down for sure. Right, you can tell it's cutting power. Tell me if I'm wrong. The BMW S1000, besides like the Ducati and Yamaha, well, I always say this, it's like one of the best sounding bikes, bro. It's the only bike I know that naturally pops like that. Like naturally just has those pops. Like the Ducati and R1 have a very unique sound. But this just sounds good. Like, watch it, I let off. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Like, it's crazy. It has the best sound. Sometimes people just chilling in traffic, bro. Man, like all this space up here. What they doing, bro? Second gear hit. Flow, go get it, baby. Woo!